Candyland Connect for How to Play. The object of the game is to collect the most candy tokens. Set out the frame and move the slide bar so the ridges line up with those of the pivot bar. Fill the grid randomly with tokens, leaving the top row empty. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you may pop out any number of candy tokens that are next to each other that make up matching sets of 2, 3, or 4 tokens horizontally on the bottom row, or vertically up from the bottom row. Keep all the collected matching sets in a pile next to you. Once you've popped out all the available sets, your turn ends and your opponent goes. If you are unable to pop out a matching set on your turn, then pop out 1 token and place it in the slot of any column and end your turn. The rainbow candies are wild and may be used to form sets with any other candy. Once there are no more possible candy sets to be made, the game ends and the player with the most candy tokens wins.